Welcome guys. Let's do Mana technical analysis and price prediction. So please watch this video until end and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join me on Telegram and Twitter, links are in this video's description. And please watch this video complete because in this video I am going to show you my targets. And if you want to grab these bounces, $5,680 bounces of these exchanges, just go to in this video's description or comment section where you can get these links. Click on these links and create your account, and after initial deposit you can grab these bounces. These bounces are tradable and these are absolutely free bounces. Just trade with these bounces only and put your seed money away. This is risk-free trading strategy. Let's dive into the content. This is Mana USDT 4-hour pair chart, and this is the main trend line, and this is major support is at $3.43 right now. Mana, after touching this line, price is going up here, you can see, and several touches towards this line, and after that price bounce back, and this is main trend line to hold, and this is the major support is at $3.43. Once it hold this area, in that case our next target will be, first target is $4.26 price area, and once it broke $4.26 price area, our second target will be this area, and this will create new all-time high, and it will create 5.33 new all-time high price level. And it is very important to hold this area. This box area is very important to hold. And if unfortunately it broke this, Mana price broke this, in that case there is a strong support is at $3.05, and after that next support is at $2.39. Let me please show you some indicators. Volume is missing and there is very low volume. EMA ribbon. Candles are in this EMA ribbon. Once candle closing above this EMA ribbon, in that case this will be good sign. Here you can see candle closing above this, and after that we see a move of approximately 32% towards upside. We have to wait. Let me please show you RSI. RSI is at 53 and it is bullish, and it is very good sign. And let me please show you MACD. MACD towers are changing their color, and crossover towards upside is about to begin, is about to happen, and I think it is very important sign. And this will be the indication price will go up. Let me please show you daily chart. In daily chart, Mana price is at $3.80, and after creating top at this zone, $4.94 price, it is at $3.79 price right now. It have to hold this major support area is at $3.47 to $3.50 price area. Once Mana hold this, in that case our first target is $4.32, and after that our next target, let me please show you according to this support and resistance base, our next target will be this area, $5.33. And if unfortunately Mana price broke this, in that case there is a strong support is at this level, $3.07 price area, and after that $2.36 price area. These are support zones. Let me please show you volume. Volume unfortunately is very low. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. EMA ribbon is turning as a major support, and maybe price can go down to retest this EMA ribbon and this support zone, and which is at $3.20 to $3.10 price area, and after that we see that kind of move. These are two possibilities. There are two possibilities I am going to show you. And let me please show you RSI. Daily RSI is above 65, and that is very bullish, and that is very good sign. And let me please show you MACD crossover towards downside. Maybe if this happen, in that case we may see some consolidation in Mana's price, but now we are in uptrend right now. And let me please show you my favorite indicator, CPR indicator. Here you can see these. Let me please hide this EMA ribbon. Here you can see this. These yellow lines are main CPR level lines, and these lines are at $2.85 price zone. And let me please show you Mana targets according to the CPR indicator. According to the CPR indicator, Mana's monthly targets are because this is monthly CPR. $5 first target, $7.11 second target, and third target is 9.27. These are Mana's target of this CPR indicator, monthly CPR indicator. Thanks for the watching, and please guys share this video with all of your crypto community and friends, and please keep supporting me. Hit the like button right now. And if you want to grab these bonuses, $5,680 bonus, Binance $710 bonus, Phemex $1,200 bonus, Bybit $3,500 bonus, KuCoin $100 bonus, and Huobi $170 bonus. Just go to in this video's description or in this video's comment section where you can get these links. Click on these links and create your account, and after initial deposit you can grab these bonuses. These bonuses are absolutely free and these are tradable bonuses. Just put your seed money away and trade with these bonuses only and earn free profit. This is risk-free trading strategy, and Mana is available on Binance and also on Huobi and KuCoin. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me. Take care.